We are here from Anna Rasoi, Food for All, Ration Bank, Anutsav, and this is food for the poor and needy, underprivileged children, nourishing lives. As friends, we all know in our country, hunger and malnutrition is a major challenge which most of the marginalized children, women, and elderly, neglected senior citizens are facing. And there are a lot of issues based on which we had started Anna Rasoi way back by Waldo Foundation and supported by Indian Special News. This is the Anna Rasoi Special to work on reduce poverty, provide food security, reduce hunger, and eradicate malnutrition. Pledge love for humanity. In Anna Rasoi, our vision is to develop communities where every child has access to good quality education, nutritious food and health, understand the consequences of hunger and malnutrition, and is committed to creating a stronger, healthier human community in India. This is a ration bank and a Nutsav Seva camps for marginalized communities. We have Anna Rasoi mobile food distribution vehicle which goes to slums to reach out to the unreachable, to end hunger and malnutrition, for the poverty alleviation programs, food, clothing and clean living for all. You can be a food sponsor, serving the marginalized children, orphans, homeless, divyang, widows, old age people, migrant laborers, children, and the poorest of the poor with food, clothes, daily essentials, school supplies, and healthy living. The vision of Anna Rasoi is to provide food to each and every hungry mouth, irrespective of age, caste, creed, and color, especially the children, because they are at high social risk and there is a very high risk of deformities and stunting and physical growth being restricted, and because of that the growth is also restricted, and there is lack of confidence and self-esteem among the children because of underweight and undernourished. So Anna Rasoi has a very big role in nourishing the lives of the poor and needy. You can help children grow well in their childhood, creating safer, happier places for children and old age people, to build healthy and happy communities. Because of if we cater to hunger, we are able to largely address the issue of child abuse, stop child abuse, exploitation, stop elderly abuse and child violence and violence against women, gender equality, gender sensitivity, education for all, food for all, equal opportunities for all, clean water for all, health for all, moral and ethics in the society. Basically building happy and healthy societies, love, peace and harmony for all. Friends, we all know that food has a very big role in connecting communities, and the vision of Anna Rasoi and Indian Special News also. This is the special edition which focuses on food for the poor. The Feed India campaign also, we have been running that. These the breads and buns going in the slum communities for the distribution to the underprivileged, and every day we have a plan to serve them with fortified meal packets, healthy meal, nutritious meal, and hygienically packed food, beverages, so that children have the confidence and courage and ability to study well, learn well, and they are not forced to work, and there is no exploitation because of hunger. But because of hunger, they are sent to work, and that's a vicious cycle. We need to end that cycle of poverty, hunger, and malnutrition and serve these children. So we appeal to corporates and industry, support the program, support the food relief work by Anna Rasoi, support the humanitarian relief work with your donations, with ration and with all other logistics and other support. That's a very, very kind and humble support in feeding the hungry children. Thank you very much for all your support. Thank you.